To get asked before the live caption feature, caption ongoing calls on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down to the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap hearing enhancement. Tap live caption. Scroll down the screen. Under live caption in calls section, tap caption calls and then select ask every time. With this setting, when the live caption feature is on and you have an ongoing call, you will be asked whether you want the call to be captioned or not. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.